Superfood Evolution presents Kimchi. What's it made of and good for? Kimchi, also spelled kimchi or kimchi, is the iconic Korean side dish or banchan consumed for centuries as a staple condiment eaten with most meals. While unfermented kimchi, called goji, is sometimes prepared as a type of quick pickle coleslaw, most kimchi is aged via fermentation techniques. This is the one we are referring to in this video because of its health-promoting potentials we will further discuss. Aged kimchi, known as mujjeonji, is created using the traditional kimjong wintertime preparation and vegetable preservation methods. It's made using a lacto-fermentation process, comparable to how you would make any kind of cultured vegetable. In Korean tradition, it is common to make large quantities of homemade kimchi in the fall season. Many households will in fact have a separate fridge set aside for storing jars throughout the year. Similar to regional styles of miso paste, different types of kimchi are also categorized according to the regions from which they originate in North and South Korea. Some styles use less salt and very short ferments, while some are customarily kept at cooler temperatures, sometimes buried in the ground in earthenware pots to slowly age for many months. Many versions are known for their spicy, hot pickled taste due to the use of red chili peppers, giving it a classic reddish-orange color. Kimchi is also identified by its strong, sulfurous scent, which is often linked to the use of garlic. At the heart of most kimchi recipes is a combination of the 5 flavors: spicy, sour, bitter, salty, and sweet. If it contains fish sauce or seafood paste, it will also have an umami quality. There are over 180 reported varieties of kimchi, differentiated by the kinds of vegetables utilized as well as the assorted mix of seasonings incorporated. By far, the most popular variety of kimchi known around the world is called baechu kimchi, which uses Napa cabbage, also called Chinese cabbage, as the main ingredient. The standard Korean kimchi most people are familiar with utilizes a combination of cabbage, white radish, green onions, red chili pepper, called gakugaru, carrot, garlic, ginger, sea salt, a sweetener, and sometimes jetgal, a type of fish sauce or salted seafood. How it is prepared can vary considerably. For example, some cabbages are left whole, and the leaves are stuffed or layered with salt and spice paste mixture, whereas other recipes may use whole individual leaves or chop them into large pieces before brine culturing in fermentation vessels. Main benefits of kimchi. If you love sauerkraut or other types of cultured vegetables, you will most likely enjoy this popular Korean favorite. Besides, of course, the delicious, zesty, pickled, and spicy taste, kimchi has some main health benefits when used as a condiment with meals or eaten by the bowlful. As a fermented food, kimchi is naturally full of enzymes, beneficial for digestion, helping to assist the breakdown of foods into usable nutrients. Its warming spices also help to increase digestive fire, as well as encourage good circulation and heightened immune response. Like other cultured vegetables, kimchi is a good source of vitamin C. Lastly, raw, unpasteurized kimchi is a great probiotic food source due to the presence of lacto-acid bacteria. Depending on the length of fermentation, kimchi can contain different strains of lactobacillus, leuconostoc, and weissella. 2 common strains identified are leuconostoc mesenteroids during shorter ferments and lactobacillus bacteria like L. plantarum during longer ones. Leuconostoc mesenteroids has been researched for its use as a commercial kimchi starter culture, and also for its health-promoting influences. Probiotic-rich foods are therapeutic to include in the diet for maintaining a good balance of intestinal microbiota. The colon and its diverse community of yeast and bacteria work together with the lymphatic system and play an important role in human immune function. As a breakfast food meal option, try adding a spoonful or 2 of kimchi to an egg drop miso soup or Asian noodle or quinoa bowl. To preserve probiotic nutrients and active enzymes, it is best to add it right before serving or eat it as a side dish. Kimchi is also a favorite food to use in sandwiches, nori rolls, fish tacos, as a pizza topping, or in the trendy kimchi pancake. Making homemade kimchi. While you can purchase kimchi in many health food stores or Asian markets, as well as from online suppliers, we always encourage making your own homemade fermented foods whenever possible. Making kimchi at home is easy, relatively inexpensive, and is a great way to preserve produce as an emergency food source. Our goji berry kimchi recipe. This is our American-style homemade kimchi recipe, blending the classic salty, sweet, and spicy flavors of traditional kimchi with one of our favorite superfoods, the goji berry. Ingredients: 12 cups of chopped Napa cabbage, 3 cups of sliced red radish, 3 cups of julienned carrots, 2 bunches of chopped scallions, 1/2 cup of chopped red onion, 1 large chopped burdock root, and 4 to 6 cabbage leaves for the top. Brine sauce: 1/2 cup of chopped cabbage, 3/4 cup of dried goji berries soaked for 1 hour in 1/2 cup water, 3 red ripe jalapenos, 1/4 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of red chili pepper flakes, 3 tablespoons of grated ginger root, 1 clove of garlic, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of probiotic powder or vegetable culture starter, and 1.5 cups of pure water. Mix together ingredients with the brine sauce and let sit for 20 minutes. Next, pack into a 1-gallon glass jar or crock, label with the date, and test try it in about 7 days. For more specifics on how to make kimchi, visit the card above or the description box below this video. Precautions: avoid kimchi if you have adverse reactions to spicy foods or have allergies to molds. Consult your healthcare provider before adding kimchi to the diet if you are pregnant, nursing, taking prescribed medications, or if you have a serious health condition. Thanks for watching! For even more information on kimchi, as well as kimchi products and supplies, be sure and check out the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these other informational videos.